Guys, we're just fishing the back canals. I'm in Pompano right now, and we're trying to get on some largemouth or peacock using a little spinner bait. You guys can see them, but right back there, there's all mine cichlids. It's so cool how it looks like a jungle here, guys. Fishing in South Florida is awesome. Hope I can get one of them. I never got a mine cichlid before. Cichlid, guys. That's a good one. Put him back. Oh. Wait, is he on? No. Oh man. Dude, he jumped. You saw that? Yeah. I don't think iguanas over here, guys. Look, right there, right there, right there, right there. Hey guys, I got something on. Little bluegill. Cool. Look at that, guys. Little bluegill. That's pretty cool, guys. I always like catching these. That's awesome. Let's put him back. There he goes, just like that. Got one on. Yeah. We got something, guys. We got something. We got something. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we got a snakehead. Oh, got my first snakehead, guys. Check that out. First ever snakehead, guys. Check that out on the spinner. Let's put him back. Whew, that was a rush, guys. That was sick.